Simplification. 7 to the power 5 plus 7 to the power 4 plus 7 to the power 3 plus 7 square plus 7 equal to question mark. Solution. 7 into 7 की power 4 plus 7 की power 4 plus 7 into 7 की power 2 plus 7 की power 2 plus 7 equal to 0. Then 7 की power 4 is common. Then 7 की power 2 is common. 7 power 4. 7 plus 1 plus 7 to the power 2. 7 plus 1 plus 7 equal to 0. 7 power 7 plus 1 equals 8 plus 7 square plus 8 plus 7 equal 0. Oh, sorry. No, 0. Then 7 की power 8 plus 7 की power 2 into 8 plus 7. 8 is common. 7 की power 4 plus 7 की power 2 plus 7. 8 7 की power 2 into 7 की power 2 plus 7 की power 2 plus 7. 8 7 की power 2 plus 7 की power 2 into 7 की power 2 plus 7. 7 की power 2 is common. 8 7 की power 2 plus 1. 7 की power 2 is common plus 7. 8 7 square 49. 7 into 7 plus 1. Oh, sorry. 7 into 7 into 74 plus 7. 8 49 plus 1 equal 40. 49 plus 7 8 into 50 into 49 plus 7. Then 8 5s are 40 into 49. 50 plus minus 1 equal 49 in plus 7. 400 into 50. 5 4s are 5. 4 5s are 20. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 minus 1 into 400. 400 plus 7. 20,000 minus 400. 9600 plus 7. 19,607 is answer. Thank you. This means 5.